Let's talk about moving dirt to hold back water, a job as old as civilization. Since the dawn of agriculture, people have shaped the land to capture and control water, ensuring their crops and communities could thrive. From ancient Mesopotamian canals to the rice terraces of Asia, the art of earth moving has always been at the heart of human progress. Today we carry on that tradition, but with the help of modern machines and engineering know-how. Today, we're not building the Hoover Dam, but the principles are the same. Whether it's a massive hydroelectric project or a humble farm pond, the fundamentals of dam construction, controlling water, managing pressure, and ensuring stability, remain unchanged. The scale may be different, but the stakes are just as real for the people who depend on this pond. Our mission is clear: extend and raise a farm pond dam so it's wide and gentle enough for a tractor to drive across. This isn't just about convenience, it's about making the land more productive and accessible. A well-built dam can turn a simple pond into a vital resource for irrigation, livestock, and even recreation. The new dam will be a backbone for the farm, supporting daily operations and future growth. This isn't a weekend project, it's a full-scale, earth-moving operation. We're talking about thousands of cubic yards of soil, carefully placed and compacted to create a structure that can withstand the forces of nature. Heavy machinery, skilled operators, and a well-coordinated crew are all essential to get the job done right. Every load of dirt, every pass of the grader, brings us one step closer to a finished dam. The dam must be high enough for heavy rains, strong enough to resist water pressure, and easy to maintain. If it's too low, a single storm could send water spilling over the top, eroding the structure and threatening everything downstream. If it's not compacted properly, water could seep through, weakening the dam from within. That's why every detail matters, from the height of the crest to the angle of the slopes. Before any dirt moves, the team surveys the site, measuring heights, planning where to add material, and mapping out the work. Surveyors use precise instruments to mark out the boundaries and elevations, ensuring the new dam will tie seamlessly into the existing landscape. This careful planning helps avoid costly mistakes and sets the stage for a smooth construction process. Every inch matters. Mistakes mean wasted time and money. A miscalculation here could mean redoing hours of work. Or worse, a dam that doesn't perform as needed. That's why the crew double-checks every measurement, reviews blueprints, and communicates constantly. It's a team effort, where attention to detail pays off in the long run. The plan is clear: build a wide, stable, perfectly graded dam that will last for decades. The finished structure should blend into the landscape with gentle slopes that resist erosion and a surface smooth enough for vehicles to cross safely. It's not just about function, it's about creating something that will stand the test of time and serve the community for generations. As the project unfolds, you'll see the transformation from a muddy construction site to a finished dam, ready to hold back water and support life. The impact goes beyond the farm. Healthy ponds attract wildlife, recharge groundwater, and create new opportunities for recreation and conservation. Skilled operators and powerful machines will transform this pond edge into a robust, reliable structure. Each operator brings years of experience knowing exactly how to shape the earth for maximum strength and stability. The teamwork between man and machine is what makes projects like this possible. It's a story of brute force guided by precision, moving mountains, or at least a very large pile of dirt. The choreography of machines, the rhythm of engines, and the careful layering of soil all come together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. The real work begins now, with diesel engines roaring and every scoop bringing the vision closer to reality. Each day brings new challenges: unexpected weather, tricky soil conditions, or equipment breakdowns, but the team adapts and pushes forward, driven by the goal of building something that will last. This is where engineering meets muscle, and every detail counts. The result will be more than just a pile of dirt. It will be a legacy of hard work, planning, and collaboration. Let's get started. You can't build a dam without the right machines. The excavator is the star, digging, carving, and loading with surgical precision. The bulldozer is the muscle, spreading and shaping dirt, grading slopes, and compacting soil. Dump trucks haul material quickly across the site, keeping the operation moving. The compactor, a heavy roller, squeezes the soil tight, making the dam strong and stable. Each machine has a role, and together they work in a seamless rhythm. Skilled operators coordinate every move, turning chaos into progress. This is heavy equipment choreography at its finest. Let's see these steel titans in action. Before any heavy machinery can move a single scoop of earth, the crew must first ensure absolute precision. Building a dam isn't just about brute force, it's about careful planning, accuracy, and a deep understanding of the land. Every successful project starts with a solid foundation, and that means getting the levels exactly right from the very beginning. To achieve this, the team relies on a grade laser, a sophisticated tool that acts as the project's guiding eye. This high-tech level projects a perfectly straight, invisible beam across the site, allowing the crew to map out the dam's intended height with pinpoint accuracy. It's the modern answer to the age-old challenge of building level and stable structures. As the laser sweeps across the landscape, a receiver mounted on a survey rod picks up the beam. When the rod reaches the correct elevation, the receiver emits a sharp beep, signaling that the target height has been found. This process is repeated at dozens of points, ensuring the entire site is mapped with incredible detail. Next, the crew inspects the existing dam, carefully walking the site and marking where new dirt must be added or removed. Using spray paint and wooden stakes, they outline the precise boundaries and elevations needed for the new construction. Every mark on the ground represents a critical decision, guiding the work that follows. These stakes and string lines become the visual roadmap for the entire project. They show the final height and shape of the dam, guiding every truckload of soil and every pass of the excavator. Without these markers, the risk of costly mistakes skyrockets. As new dirt is brought in and compacted, the crew doesn't just trust their eyes. They constantly recheck levels with the laser. This ongoing process ensures that every layer of soil is placed at the correct height, compacted to the right density, and perfectly aligned with the plan. It's a meticulous game of inches, repeated over and over. Each measurement is double-checked, and every adjustment is made with care. The crew knows that even a small error now could lead to big problems later. This relentless attention to detail pays off. When the dam is finished, it stands strong, level, and ready to withstand the test of time. The result is a structure built not just with muscle but with science and skill. The real difference between a dam that lasts and one that fails is the science behind the brute force. Technology and teamwork come together, turning raw earth into a reliable barrier. Every straight line of laser light means fewer mistakes, less wasted material, and a smoother build. It's the invisible backbone of the project. In the end, precision at every step saves time, money, and headaches. It's the secret ingredient that transforms a pile of dirt into a dam that will stand for generations. Building near water means fighting mud and moisture. Every step is a battle against the elements, where the ground is soft, unstable, and water seeps into every crevice. Before any real construction can begin, the site must be tamed and made workable. This is a challenge that requires both ingenuity and muscle, as the crew faces the relentless presence of water and mud that threaten to halt progress at every turn. The crew constructs a temporary coffer dam, a wall of earth to hold back the pond and dry out the work area. This dam isn't meant to last forever, but it's absolutely vital for the next phase. By creating a barrier between the construction zone and the water, the team can transform a soggy, unworkable mess into a solid foundation for the project ahead. The excavator and dozer team up, piling and shaping dirt into a sturdy barrier. Each scoop and push is carefully coordinated as the machines work together to build up the wall layer by layer. It's a dance of heavy machinery, with operators relying on skill and experience to ensure the dam is strong enough to withstand the pressure of the water it holds back. Once built, pumps remove water from behind the coffer dam, exposing the muddy ground. These powerful pumps run day and night, drawing out every last drop and keeping the work area as dry as possible. The transformation is dramatic. What was once a waterlogged pit becomes a workable surface, ready for the next stage of construction. Leaks are inevitable. Water finds every weakness. Even the best-built dam can't keep out every trickle, and the crew must stay vigilant. Small streams of water can quickly become big problems if left unchecked, threatening to undermine the entire operation. The crew patches holes with more clay, sealing the wall. They work quickly, packing the earth and clay into every gap, reinforcing the dam wherever water tries to break through. It's a constant process of maintenance and repair, requiring teamwork and attention to detail. With the area dry, real construction can begin. The once muddy ground is now firm enough to support heavy equipment and workers, setting the stage for the foundation to be laid. This dry workspace is the result of careful planning and hard work, and it marks a turning point in the project. The coffer dam is a temporary fix, but it's essential. Without it, the entire site would be underwater, and progress would grind to a halt. It's a reminder that sometimes the most important work is the work you never see in the finished project. Sometimes you have to build something temporary to build something permanent. These behind-the-scenes efforts are what make the grand designs possible, providing the stability and safety needed for the real work to begin. It's a clever solution to a messy problem. The cofferdam is a testament to the creativity and determination of the crew, who use both old-fashioned know-how and modern machinery to overcome nature's obstacles. Now, the foundation work can start. With the site finally dry and secure, the team can focus on building something that will last for generations, all thanks to the temporary wall that made it possible. With the area dry, it's time for the most critical step, the core trench. The excavator digs deep, removing mud and searching for solid clay. This trench locks the new dam into stable ground, preventing leaks. Only dense, sticky clay is used to fill the trench, layer by layer, each compacted for strength. The dump truck delivers premium red clay and the excavator places it with care. Clay is messy and sticks to everything, but it's the secret to a watertight dam. Each layer is thin and carefully packed. This hidden core is the dam's best defense against leaks. It's slow, sticky work, but absolutely essential. The heart of the dam is now in place. Now comes the heavy lifting, moving mountains of dirt. The excavator digs from a borrow pit, loading dump trucks in a steady rhythm. Trucks haul soil to the dam, where it's dumped and spread. The dozer shapes each load, building the dam up layer by layer. The site supervisor tracks every load with a simple clicker. Organization is key. Dozens of loads add up to hundreds of cubic yards. This cycle, dig, haul, dump, spread, runs like clockwork. Efficiency and teamwork keep the project on track. Every bucketful brings the dam closer to completion. It's organized chaos, but it works. Dirt alone isn't enough. Compaction gives the dam its strength. Each layer is spread thin, then packed down by the dozer and a sheep's foot roller. The roller's heavy, knobby drum kneads the soil, squeezing out air and moisture. Even dump trucks help, driving over the layers to add weight. The goal: maximum density, verified by testing. This process repeats: dump, spread, compact, until the dam rises, solid and stable. Compaction prevents settling and failure. It's slow, repetitive, and vital. The dam's strength is built one layer at a time. Nature always throws curveballs. Rain turns the site to mud, machines get stuck, and water finds every weak spot. The cofferdam leaks, demanding constant attention and quick repairs. Sticky clay clogs buckets and truck beds, slowing progress. The crew adapts, patching leaks, scraping out trucks, and maneuvering through mud. Frustration is part of the job, but so is problem solving. Experience and teamwork keep things moving. Every challenge is met head-on. The pros know how to fight back. That's what separates them from the amateurs. The dam reaches its final height, flat, level, and strong. The dozer shapes the slopes, creating a gentle grade for easy maintenance. The crew cleans up, smooths out dirt piles, and tidies the site. Grass seed and straw are spread to prevent erosion and finish the job. The once chaotic site now looks clean and orderly. The pond is secure, the dam is durable, and maintenance will be easy for years. It's a testament to skill, planning, and teamwork. The machines fall silent and the dust settles. Another job is done, leaving a lasting improvement on the land. That's how you build a dam that stands the test of time.